This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Thursday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. The markets traded in a very narrow range today, finishing relatively unchanged on the positive side. Big economic day. Initial claims rose by 16,000 to 317,000 in the week ending September 29th. That marks their highest level since September 8th. Four-week moving average of new claims for the week ended September 29th, meantime, rose by 500 to 312,750, the highest since September 15th. Orders for U.S.-made factory goods fell 3.3% in August. Economists were looking for a fall of 2.6%. It was the biggest drop in factory orders in 7 months. Inventory slipped 0.1%, while unfilled orders rose 1.2%. European Central Bank held its benchmark interest rate steady at 4% in London. Bank of England decided to leave its key interest rate unchanged at 5.75%, a move that most analysts had predicted. Meantime, European Central Bank President Jean-Claude Trichet said that the ECB is waiting to see whether the global financial market turmoil will slow economic growth before deciding on the future path of interest rates. Bear Stearns Companies, the securities firm hit hardest by the collapse of the subprime mortgage market, said that market conditions have improved and a recovery is underway. Bear Stearns President Alan Schwartz said liquidity returned to the market as autumn began. Chief Executive Officer James Kane said that the firm will weather the storm. Top Democrats in the House and Senate urged the White House to do more to help borrowers struggling to repay loans resetting at higher rates. They advocated further raising the caps that limit how much money the two government-sponsored mortgage companies can invest in home loans and securities backed by them. And House lawmakers are due to vote on a bill that would allow homeowners to avoid paying taxes on mortgage debt, which gets forgiven as part of a foreclosure or a modified loan. The bill by Representative Charles Rangel is expected to receive bipartisan support as a way to assist borrowers caught in the upsurge of foreclosures nationwide. Currently, if a lender forgives a portion of the mortgage, taxpayers are still required to report that amount as income and pay taxes on it. In earnings news today, Marriott International reported its third quarter profit fell 7% as strong revenue per available room and unit expansion were offset by a decline in timeshare profits and a higher tax rate. Constellation Brands said its earnings rose 9.2% in the second quarter. They raised their full profit outlook for the full year as well. And Family Dollar Stores said fiscal fourth quarter net income rose 17%, helped by higher sales of food and toys as customers spent more per visit. Scheduled economic reports tomorrow. It's the big day, the day we've all been waiting for, non-farm payrolls, as well as the consumer credit report tomorrow afternoon. Scheduled earnings reports Friday. It's the end of the season. It's Friday. ATS Medical and MS Communications are on the docket. Stocks in the news. Delta Airlines said September traffic rose 7.8% to 9.79 billion revenue passenger miles. Rite Aid reported its same-store sales, those at outlets open at least a year, inched ahead 0.7% in September. Smart Modular Technologies said fiscal fourth quarter net earnings were $13.2 million or 21 cents a share. And Alaska Air Group said September traffic for its Alaska Airlines unit rose 1.7% to 1.43 billion revenue passenger miles. And that's the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network.